Video, I will show you how to calculate the future value of an investment. Suppose you are planning for your retirement and you plan to contribute $100 every month for the next 10 years, and the bank agrees to give you 6% annual interest rate. So you have to calculate the future value of your investment. For this purpose, see, this is the annual interest rate and the term is in years. So the interest rate and the number of periods must have the same unit. This is annually. We have to convert it monthly. So I have already calculated it here. This is 6% divided by 12.5% monthly. Similarly, there are 10 years. So we have to multiply by 12. So total will be 120 periods. I have put a negative sign here because this amount is taken out from your account and paid to bank as an investment. So that is why it is minus. Here we have to calculate the future value, and there are a couple different methods in Excel to calculate the future value of an investment. First, I will show you from the formula tab. Go to the formulas and then from the function library, open the financials, and then this is the future value. And you will see the functional argument box will open. We will set it here. So this is the rate. So our rate is 6% and the cell reference is B5 divided by 12, and the number of periods are 10, and then multiply by 12 because I have already told you that the interest rate and the number of periods must have the same unit, and then our payment is $100, and then okay. So you will see after 10 years, your total worth of your investment will be 16,387 and 93 cents. So you are investing 12,000 in 10 years, but you are receiving 16,387 and 93 cents. It means you are receiving 4,387 and 93 cents more. I have another example. Suppose this time your bank agrees to give you 8%, and this time you are saving $200 per month for the next 15 years, and then you have to calculate the future value. So the first thing is, first we have to convert the interest rate and the number of periods into the same unit, like 0.667%. This is monthly, but here I will show you another method. Just write down equal to sign and then future value, because we are calculating the future value, and then you will see here two different future values formula. We have to use the first one. So double click here. First is the rate, that is 8% divided by 12, and then is 15 years multiply by 12, and then this, and parenthesis closed, and enter. So you will see that if you are saving $200 for the next 15 years at the interest rate of 8%, you will receive 69,207 and 64 cents. Your total investment in 15 years will be 36,000. You are getting $33,207 and 64 cents more. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.